Hey, this is Joshua again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 554 Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this wonderful certified pre-owned 2017 Volkswagen Jetta GLI. This front-wheel drive saloon comes with a 2-liter TSI turbocharged direct-injected engine with a 6-speed DSG automatic Tiptronic transmission with steering wheel shift paddles. You get 24 miles per gallon in the city, 33 miles per gallon on the highway, front and rear anti-roll bars with gas pressurized shock absorbers and a sport-tuned suspension, ABS and driveline traction control with electronic stability control, blind spot monitor and sensors, backup camera with rear cross traffic alert and park pilot front and rear parking sensors, radio with Fender premium audio system, aux and USB input, Bluetooth connectivity and navigation, first row power slide and tilt sunroof with sunshade, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.